Friends, in this video we can show that how to create your random unique ID on your web page, how we can create and how you can store in the database. At first we can take on toolbox a label, which label name id is label MSG, LBL MSG. We can define the name of the label LBL MSG and get the color maroon. Okay, then we can go to the CS file. Just you can code on the CS file that we how to create and how to access on the systems of unique ID. We can click the web page and go to the CS file, that is called class file. In this have a many namespaces. We can use a namespace. Many namespaces are there, but we can use a namespace, two namespace, using system.web.ui and using system.web.ui.web controls. This is used for getting a hash code method through this namespace, because these classes files and methods are defined in the web controls namespace, this namespace. At first, on the page load event we can take label, which is a name of lvlmsg, lvlmsg dot text you can get, and equals to rl. In this tag you take any abbreviation letter on the first of the unique id creation. At the first unique id specification we can take any other variable, just like we can use railway, to just first two letters rl. You can use name, just you can use nm. This is the first letter. We can take the unique id with the length. Here we can create get unique id key methods. Get unique key id method that is used for creating a unique id, a random unique id on your web page. Here we can use this method uh, in the public string get unique id. This is unique id, get unique id, and we can code on this string get your id result. We can take a variable get id result equals to string dot empty. At first we can take as an empty variable. Then while condition get uid result dot length less than 7, we can use our length of the unique id is less than 7. Then we can create get unique id result plus equals to predefined gid dot new gid, a predefined method that is called in the namespace is new id dot to string dot get hash code, that is hash code that is called random different unique id at the page of reference, at the page reference. Here plus equals to, here we can use guid plus guid. This name is also used here, and then used plus guid plus netguid. Otherwise we can take like this get hash code, that is used for getting the hash code on the page refresh, web page refresh. Dot to string, here in the to string we can get x, capital X. This is the reason why we can use capital X to fetch the unique ID in capital. If you want to fetch the ID in small, you can give a unique ID. Yeah, here is the variable in small. Just we are using X. No matters, here we can use X, Y, Z. Any letters you can take here. If you are getting x small, you want get small unique id. If you are um, uh, writing capital X, you can get capital unique ID. Then close curly braces and return get UID result dot substring initial 0 to 7. Initial um, initial value like RL. If you are any variable is defined initial value are RL, and then we can access get unique key methods, and he can give 7 unique ID on your web browser, random unique ID. Just we can run your page and get it. Here we can see that RL is the first abbreviation letter, and 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, it is just 7 unique ID. We can page refresh, then how we can random change. We can page refresh, we can change unique ID like this. If you are refresh page again, then he can change again new unique ID. So we can see that how to create your unique ID on your web page. Through this we are storing our unique ID on the database. In any, we can show the products database, different where we can use. Thank you for watching this video.